Tired of your team reinventing the wheel with every project? Let's transform chaos into clarity by creating and storing standard operating procedures, or SOPs, right within Asana. First, decide how you want to document your SOP. Consider using Asana's description field for concise steps, linking to detailed Google Docs, or embedding videos using tools like Vimeo for example. If you want to store it in the description, click on the task, and a description box will show up, and you can store your process here. Next, build task templates. These are the backbone of consistent execution. Create a new task, fill it with all the necessary steps, assignees, and due dates, then save it as a template to reuse it every time that process needs to be followed. To do this, click the three dots on the top right of the task, then select Save as Template. Now, let's automate your workflows. Use Asana's rules to trigger tasks based on specific criteria, ensuring SOPs are automatically followed. For instance, when a task is marked complete, a rule can automatically assign the next step to the appropriate team member. To create a rule, navigate to the Customize menu in your project and select Rules. And that's it. By documenting, templating, and automating your SOPs in Asana, you'll foster consistency, reduce errors, and empower your team to work smarter, not harder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what SOPs you are implementing in Asana.